Everyone remembers Ben Kickz.
Ben, how's school?
Amazing.
How's business? Booming.
Young booming. Yeah, man, shout out my boy Ben.
The one that sold sneakers to DJ Khaled, Drake, Quavo, and all of your favorite celebrities and rappers. Chances are, when you find success that young, you're gonna get lost in the sauce and lose it all.
You're looking at the mug of a man who became known for his ability to get sneakers for stars.
And unfortunately, that may have happened to Ben. That's why for the last several years, he's been quiet and he's been off social media. But now, he's the mastermind behind some of your favorite streetwear brands. And for the first time ever, he's telling his full story. This is the behind the brand of Ben Kickz, the rise, the fall, and the rebirth. You know we stay giving y'all a free game? You don't want to miss this video. Yo, what up, bro?
What up?
Guys, we're with the legendary Ben Kickz. How's business?
Still booming.
Still booming. What are we doing out here? Can you give us a tour?
Yeah, what do you want to see?
The Illuminati's crib, bro. This is MTV Cribs, bro. Show
I
us.
love Illuminati. I mean, check it out. Nah, it's cool. It's calm. Check out the house.
Dude, this is crazy. What is this? This is the layer?
This is a cool little live stream, fake office room, whatever.
I mean, bro, he's got the all black LV Forces. How much these go for?
I don't know, like maybe 7,000, 8,000.
7,000.
You see the toes. Only black forces that are
So
acceptable.
you on that black Air Force energy today?
No, I mean, I feel like the Louis Black Air Force energy is a different energy.
What kind of energy is giving rich?
No, it's just giving the grind doesn't stop. Job's not finished.
What about these? These are like every little kid's grails. How much are these?
20,000, 22,000.
This man has casually 100K on the table, guys. Can we show them this or no?
Nah, you know what? That's just for you. That's just for you.
At the end of the video, we may or may not show you what's working on this, because this is the moneymaker. Who's sleeping here?
One of my boys, Pete.
Oh.
He's sleeping there.
You guys ever seen Entourage? The show Entourage? This is Entourage in fucking real life.
Ah, the real special guest.
Oh, shit.
There's your boy.
The last time I saw you, you was kind of fat, bro, but now you looking...
Oh, okay, yeah, I mean.
Show the ladies a six-pack, bro. Come on, bro. Show me.
Yeah,
bro.
It's just kush-ups, man. Just kush-ups.
Kush-up. What is a kush-up? So you smoke a joint and do a push-up?
No, just straight kush-ups.
Just only kush.
Just kush.
That's why it smells good in here. It smells really good. What you got in here, bro? How much is this bag?
10.
10,000?
Yeah.
Is there like, does it give you mystical powers? Does it do anything?
It boosts every fit.
So if I'm wearing like Costco t-shirt and some whack ass shorts, if I wear this, I'm getting girls.
Overly. Put it on right now.
Bro. Guys, look at this shit. I pull up to your school looking like this, bro. Come on, bro. This is how you sleep or this is how you get ready?
I was saying y'all caught me at the wrong time. I'm doing laundry and shit.
Oh, so you're doing laundry.
Yeah.
For the people that don't know you, what's your name and what do you do?
Billionaire Studios.
Every kid on Instagram that wants to like live like you're like the real life character of that.
I guess.
You do push-ups in the morning, you got a $10,000 bag, and you do Balenciaga tea laundry on your bed.
Get geeked, make some designs, and live life, I guess.
If there's a kid out there that wants to do that, what advice do you have for them?
Shit. Just do it. Nike, just do it.
If people want to buy your clothes, where can they find it? Online, in resale stores?
Yeah, Billionaire Studios on Instagram.
This is like a streetwear boys frat house.
Literally.
And this is the frat king right here. So what is this? This is where the shipments come in?
Yeah, no, I mean, we just accidentally got shipments here for shoes. We're not supposed to have shoes here. A little Cybertruck, couple whiteboards, which we'll blank that out later, but.
What's on the whiteboards? Is it your master plan?
Like I said before, the job's not finished, so the whiteboard is like the brands that, we help curate, we invest into, and just the game plan of what we think is next up for those brands.
I feel like the last time you were on the internet, you were like 14 years old with DJ Khaled. How's business booming? But now you're like an adult. What have you been working on?
Yeah, I've been off the grid, obviously, for a while. We're coming in doing wholesale, exclusive distribution, acquiring brands, streetwear brands, and helping scale them to, a much larger level than where they start at.
So for the kids that don't understand, essentially what you're creating is a newer version of LVMH, a streetwear version.
Correct. That's the best way to put it.
LVMH is the parent company that owns all your favorite designer brands. Louis Vuitton, Dior, and what they do is they don't just house the brands, they do everything from production, marketing, and they do it all A to Z. He's essentially building that for streetwear brands.
We actually don't even touch the design because that's not my wheelhouse, so we leave the design up to the designers because they know best. And like Bill obviously curated things that went viral already, made millions of dollars on his own. So now it's like, okay, how do we take his brand and scale it and put it in a certain amount of stores where we don't dilute the brand? We build and we grow strategically versus just shooting from 0 to 100 and then going back to 20.
What are you looking for in a brand when you bring them on? Is it like a certain look, a certain aesthetic, or is it like a track record, a history? What is it that you're looking for?
Really the person, right? So it's like if the person or the artist doesn't want to like listen and they don't want to take direction and they want to do it on their own, no matter how good their brand is, we won't take it on because it's not worth our time.
You're looking for somebody coachable.
Correct. Exactly.
Can you show us the master bedroom?
Yeah, come on.
So this is where Daddy sleeps. Show us his bag. This is not a cheap bag right here.
Yeah, I wouldn't say it's cheap, but
This is like not a regular Louis. This is, you gotta have record with Louis. Oh, this is the watch case too?
yeah.
Can
Not
you show-
watch case, it's just jewelry case.
What you got on the wrist today?
I actually have nothing on there. Oh, oops.
This man casually got 30 bands of cash.
Regular
Ben Kickz.
piece, old school piece.
When did you get this?
That was like the first real piece I got.
How old were you when you got
Years
this?
ago. 21, 22.
And how much is this?
I don't know. Gold went up, so it's like I probably paid way less. I probably paid way cheaper, and I honestly wouldn't recommend buying stuff like this anymore.
What else is over here, bro? Guys, hold on. You know Belly Gang Cushington, he does the I only wear Air Force one time. This is the next iteration. He only wears the LV Forces one time. This man wears this shit one time, and then it's a wrap. Levels to this, guys. What's over here? This is where the OnlyFans girls come and hang out?
Nah.
Bro!
No OnlyFans, no OnlyFans.
What the fuck? Look at this shit, bro. If you're watching this video, chances are you either have a streetwear brand or you're looking to start a streetwear brand. And as someone who scaled the business to $12 million, let me tell you one thing that's vital to your direct-to-consumer business: email and SMS marketing. And this video is sponsored by Omnisend. Omnisend is a powerful platform that allows you to send out automated emails and SMS flows. From sequences to abandoned cart recovery, Omnisend does it all. And the best part is, it's all integrated within Shopify. The numbers speak for itself. On average, merchants are seeing a $68 return on every single dollar that they're spending with Omnisend. Look, you don't need a huge team. Omnisend handles it all. Believe it or not, I still run the emails for Shop Superline, and we're doing $12 million a year. And that's because Omnisend has the best tools for me. Automated campaigns, segmentations, pop-ups, it's all in one place. Like I said before, we actually use it here at Shop Superline, and genuinely, it's one of the best tools that we've used. If you want to try it out, I got you. Use code Superline30 for 30% off your first 3 months. And if you don't want to commit to a plan, I have another solution for you. You can literally start a free plan without even inputting your credit card information. Hit the link in the description or scan the QR code. Remember, Superline30 for 30% off your first 3 months. You know we stay giving y'all free game? Now let's get back into the video. Yo, this is made for gooning, dog. Yeah. What the fuck? The TV is right here, bro. Where's the lotion and the tissue?
Oh man.
This is crazy. Can you show us the closet?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh shit, this is the closet, huh?
Nothing crazy. I still gotta bring myself out from Miami.
What is your favorite piece in here?
This
What is this?
Chrome Hearts.
Oh, they made a fucking Star of David Chrome Hearts?
Yeah, shout out to the guy. Shout out to Christian Marcelo. They customized me 3 pairs.
Oh wait, so they customized, so they don't even do this regularly for clients?
No. I mean, they have the crosses. Shout out to the Jew guys, the Jew gang.
This is
Yeah,
crazy.
this is real Chrome. This is not, oh, we just bought patches. No, this is...
So this isn't a remix, this is
No,
official
this
from
is
Chrome Hearts.
Official tissue. This is not a remake.
How much is this?
I got offered 33 for these.
33,000
Yeah.
for a pair of jeans.
I mean, bro, it's Chrome Hearts. You know how these guys fiend over all this, how crazy it is.
That's crazy. Does it come with like a special anointing?
I mean, I feel like it gives off good vibes, gives off good energy. You know what I
Good
mean?
energy. I gotta get my money up, bro. I gotta get some of those. What about your favorite piece from like the brands that you're curating?
This is one of them. It's called, there's a brand I'm looking into now. It's called Vital. For me, I think it's like the next one up. These are like samples that they sent us. We looked at.
This is dope. This is like LA skater, rock star. How much is this gonna retail for?
I think they're trying to do like $100 a tee, which is pretty cheap.
$100 for this? This could sit inside a Saks for $500-$600.
Honestly, it's insane. I'll show you some stuff in the living room too.
Oh, so this is the other one too?
Yeah, this is one of them.
Bro, is there a size large in this?
I'll tell them to send you some stuff.
I like the way the sleeves are. Like everyone's, regular sleeves. Like this is the new wave. Summer's out. You gotta get the guns out.
I don't have any of those, but yeah, I hear you.
This shit's cool.
Oh man. Yo, Billiam, you about to dive in the pool?
He's doing a push-up right now. Yo, you gotta jump from the roof into the pool.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I have insurance for that.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Yo, by the way, if you guys are gonna be here Friday, you should come Shabbat. We're doing a big Shabbat, 30, 40 people, barbecue grill, the whole nine.
For people that don't know, what is Shabbat?
Shabbat is, in the Jewish religion, a day of rest, which took me 23 years to start doing, and it's probably the hardest thing I think in my life to do. Not to get spiritual on them, but like I feel like when you realize that all your blessings come from above, you give all glory to God, and if one of the things he asks you to do is not work on the 7th day, so you got to do. So no electronics, no phone, no car, no work. Friday night sundown to Saturday night sundown. It's honestly the best reset you could have, but it's tough.
When I met Ben, he told me about Shabbat. I did it for like 3 weeks. That was the most amount of money I made ever in my life.
He's going back, dude. He's going back to
I
it.
swear to God.
Here, check it out.
Let's go upstairs. Sam, are you gonna jump off the pool, Sam?
Fuck no.
Why?
You guys are welcome to do it. Just sign a quick waiver.
How deep is the pool?
10 feet. no way he's gonna do it. I don't think so.
Is 10 feet on that end or 10 feet on this
At
end?
the end.
I'm about to jump off the top, bro.
Yo, he's thinking about jumping off the roof into the pool. This guy is insane.
How many views will it get?
This is definitely called white people shit, by the way.
Yeah. I don't know. I got shit to lose.
Yeah.
You know, if I was 18,
Literally.
fuck it, I would have done it.
Damn,
This is crazy, guys. This is the layer. This is the pad. This is literally like the frat boy house for streetwear owners.
Yo, see you Friday for Shabbat. I'm tuning out. Peace.
Should I do it or no?
Nah, don't do it. Don't do it. You got too much to lose. I'm gonna be honest. The worst thing that's gonna happen maybe is you break a leg. It will go crazy for the content. It just depends how much you care about the views.
I feel like you've been in this space for a really long time. I mean, you've met Drake, you've met DJ Khaled, the Migos, every single fucking celebrity under the sun. If you could boil it down to like 3 things, what are 3 things that you've learned along the process? He has it written down, guys.
No, I do. I wake up every day and I have a little thing written down. I think there's a few things. One, don't ever compromise your principles or your morals. A lot of this game is to water down. It's saturated. You see people coming in and they see other people doing something. They're like, oh, this guy's making this money. I'm not. Let me go do the same thing he's doing. No shade on nobody else. For example, in this industry, dudes start doing the reprints just to make a quick buck. That's not for us. We're here for the long term, not the short term. 2, my opinion, hard work beats talent when talent fails to work hard. Obviously, everybody's heard that quote before, but that's like the most realistic thing ever. I've seen kids with talent, undeniable talent, make less money and go less places than kids with no talent who just put in 18-hour shifts. We get up, yeah, sure, we live, whatever, lavish, blah, blah, thank God, God gives it to us. We get up, we do 18-hour shifts. We still do that. We still outwork people doing double shifts at a regular job, right? Because for me, it's like, it was never about the money. It was about the goal, and it was about the mission, and the job's not finished. And the third thing is, which kind of bounces off the first thing, but I think it's important to understand where the blessings come from and not forget that, like, at the end of the day, this is not our life. It's not our world we live in. And it all comes from above. I've seen it happen. I mean, it's happened to me where you think that, oh, I made so much money and I did it all and it's me. And then he has to show you like, hey, it wasn't you. You lose it all. And now let's see how you get it back.
What happened for you to learn that lesson? I mean, obviously everyone knows your rise as like a 12-year-old kid, 13-year-old kid. Did something happen? Did you break a leg from falling off the roof? Or did something happen for you to get to that point?
I had tons of ups and downs. Made, thank God, ridiculous amounts of money, and then lost ridiculous amounts of money. I lost money to some people who I would consider best friends, and it is what it is, and you live and learn, and you understand that it was never yours to begin with. God gave it to you, and then the way you treat that as well as other people around you is what determines whether you're gonna keep it or not.
Can you give us a story of like one major loss? Like you lost 100,000, 200,000, 300,000?
Yeah, I have a lot of those, sadly.
Give us one of the, give us the one, the big one.
I was in partnership with somebody who I called like a great friend, best friend, and we had a few deals lined up. We did a bunch of stuff together. We were supposed to do a big deal, whatever. I counter-checked BOA to BOA, $736,000, and cleaned.
So you got finesse for $760,000.
Thing is, I wouldn't even say finesse because it's like when somebody who you call a brother is like, hey, we're doing business together and you've made millions of dollars with them. You got scammed by somebody that you would consider family, and I feel like that is, you learn a lesson of that in itself more than the money.
What did you learn from that experience?
Money changes people. And I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. I don't think money changes people. It shows who they truly are. Granted, like 700,000 is a big figure, but we probably would have made way more. But people don't look long term. People don't have that vision. For me, this is a marathon, not a race. People look at things like, oh, this is right in front. Oh, I just came up 700,000. Okay, fine. And now the same people ended up falling off and have no money, and then they always circle back, and that's how life works. But I think the lesson there is like, stay to yourself, stay focused, head down, stay humble, and just keep at it and just keep working and don't stop. And the thing is, people think like, oh, they're in the same place for 3-4 years, and as soon as they're about to quit, is that breakthrough. In my opinion, whatever you're doing, do not quit doing it. It might feel like you're dragging feet, you're doing the same thing over and over again. The second that you quit, that next day could have been the hitter.
If you could go back to, for most people, it's 18-year-old version of themselves, but if you could go back to like the 14, 15-year-old version of yourself, you're going viral on social media, how's business booming, you're hanging out with Drake, what's one advice you would give back to yourself back then?
Don't get caught up in the moment. Keep your eyes on the prize. Remember where you're going. People compare themselves to other people on social media who actually hate their life. And they're over here looking like they live a crazy life and they're so happy and this and that. And the next guy's depressed because he thinks that this guy's living a better life than him. But in reality, yeah, this guy looks great, but inside he's dying inside. So you gotta really focus on yourself and what your goal is, and never, ever, ever, and that's what I have on my phone, never look at the next man, because you don't know what they're dealing with, no matter what it looks on the outside.
This shit is not real, guys. Even this video, none of this shit is not real, guys. None of this shit is real. Do not be watching these videos comparing your life thinking my life sucks. It's not real. It's all fake, guys. It's all fake. It's a show. It's an act. It's a job. Focus on yourself. You know we stay giving y'all free game.
Free game. Only at Superline.
Let's go upstairs. Let's go jump off. Come on, Sam. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're doing it for the views, Sam. Come on. They're fucking with us, guys. They're gonna fuck with us, guys. Woo. 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 What's up, bro? How's it going?
It's good.
This is King Misunderstoods right here, bro. This is what the kids want.
Yeah, what up?
What up, bro? Eric, how's it going?
Nice to meet you.
What do you guys do? You guys designers?
Yeah, graphic designers.
Bro, you guys are so cool, bro. Break down the fit for it. What you got on, bro?
Oh, don't put me on camera.
Oh, no cameras?
Show his
Okay.
face.
I
Yeah.
don't show my face.
Blurs, can we blur your face and then do it?
you can blur it.
Okay. What do you do for a living?
I'm one of the lead designers for
Why don't you want your face on camera?
because I don't want anything to be about me. I want it to be about my art.
Do you do like graphics? You do the...
Do graphics, creative direction, album covers, videos, everything.
Do we have to blur out your face? I mean, you have a beautiful face, bro.
Oh, thank you, bro.
We can leave it in there, right?
Yeah. I show my face because.
You got nice hair too, the nice curls, bro.
Thank you, bro.
What brands do you design for?
Well, I keep it low key.
I mean, he keeps it low key, guys. Very low key.
But if you know, you know.
You know.
Yeah.
How did you get into the space?
Well, I started when I was 15. I was just really into art and fashion, so I kind of just started like DMing people, getting out there and just kind of got in contact with the right people.
What advice would you give to a kid that's 15? He's DMing people, nobody's answering his DMs, and he wants to go work for the biggest brands.
Work hard, don't sleep. You can't sleep. If you sleep, someone else out there getting better than you.
What makes a good aesthetic? I feel like you guys have a very good, dope aesthetic. What makes a good aesthetic? Rule of thirds. Oh, you're born
You
with
have to be
it.
born with it. That's just swag.
So I don't have it on. I'm not born with it. So there's nothing I can do.
Inside out, tee on and
you got the
shit.
swag. You got the carpet design. You know what you're
But
doing.
all I did is I just took your Instagram photo and then I reverse engineered it and I was like, I'm trying to look like this.
But you did it well, though.
But you did it. Point of the conversation. Be you. Don't try to be us. Be you.
Last question. If you go back to the 18-year-old version of yourself, what's one advice you would give yourself?
Well, I'm 19 right now, so.
So what's one advice?
I don't know. Just keep working hard. I'm doing better now than I was doing last year, so just keep working hard. It works out.
You got beautiful lashes, bro. Look at the camera one time for them. Damn, bro. Look at that shit. We're at the frat boy house of the King Misunderstoods. This is the dream. You know we stay giving y'all free game.